I'm out here at Chef Jay Ponders, Couples Cooking Extravaganza. I'm Cali. Just bet you want to eat with me. Let's get it. You see where we at? You see where we at? You see where we at? You see where it's at? Know what's going on? I'm here with Chef Jay. I bet you want to eat with me. Man, I just have one quick question for you.
What's up, bro?
How do you have fun doing what you do? How do you keep it fun doing what you do?
Well, basically for any chef, man, it's the satisfaction of the guest. You know what I mean? How do you, I guess, take to your food, take to your dish. But in this case, they're cooking to watch the discovery on their face. And I tell you, you only need salt and pepper for a dish. It's priceless. And then once, it's still kind of skeptical a little bit whatever the case is. But at the end of the day, you see here in a second when they eat their product with the salt and pepper, mind blowing. So I guess my why, instead of my happy, my why is to satisfy people, make sure they understand food. And part of my job and part of, I guess, my purpose of being here is to teach people. And through food, that's what I mean, just teaching.
Yes, because I learned something too. Coming here, I learned about microwaves. Look, if the food burns your mouth, that's radiation. It ain't the fire, it's radiation. So be aware of that.
Absolutely, man. But thanks for coming out, man. I just appreciate you guys coming out.
Man, I appreciate. Okay, then I reached the halftime in the cooking part. Chef Jay throwing down for this excellent extravaganza. We call it extravaganza because there's wine, people. Wherever there's alcohol, that makes it extravaganza. Thank you.
How are you enjoying the evening so far? Yeah?
Bet you wanna eat with me, bet you wanna eat with me, tell 'em. Bet you wanna eat with me, bet you wanna eat with me, tell 'em. Bet you wanna eat with me, bet you wanna eat with me, tell 'em.